Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways to start making money online today, even if you have no experience. Yes, you heard right. You can earn real money from home with just your laptop. So, the platform is called Fiverr. It's a website where people all around the world pay for services like graphic design, website building, video editing, and even simple things like making PowerPoints or writing captions. Anyone can join Fiverr. You don't need a certificate, degree, or previous job. If you can deliver a service, you can earn. Here are examples you can offer: logo and poster designs, thumbnail and social media posts, React, Next.js, website landing pages, simple video editing, writing product descriptions, removing image backgrounds. You only need one skill to start. Step 1. Create a Fiverr account. Step 2. Add a profile photo and description. Step 3. Create a gig showing what you offer. Step 4. Set a starting price. Even $5 works. Step 5. Share your gig on Facebook, WhatsApp. Start small, offer fast delivery, do your best job. Get 5-star reviews. Once you get reviews, increase your price. Some beginners earn $300 a week. Skilled users earn $500, $3,000 a month. It depends on your skill and effort. More gigs, more money. If you've been waiting for the right time to start earning online, this is it. Pick one skill, create your Fiverr gig today, and begin your online income journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more earning ideas.